What's up, YouTube? Today we are doing a gallon of slime. I'm so excited. So what we have here is shaving cream. Oh, it felt weird when I shaved it. That's shaving gel, shaving cream, and foaming soap, and food dye, and borax. So, without wasting your time any further, let's get started dumping this glue. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get it on my shirt. Oh,
Careful.
I'm not.
That's why I'm wearing an apron.
It's so heavy.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Where's the nose, Betsy? Look.
Oh my gosh. There's so much. What do we say? A teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water?
Yeah. Guys, it's taking forever. Betsy, I need some help.
Alright, hang on. I'm mixing up the borax. I'll have you stir the borax while I get the last of that glue out. This is the spoon that went in the garbage disposal. Yeah, go.
Help.
Okay.
Look at it.
I'm gonna stir that and then I'm gonna put the lid on and then shake the glass glue beads
Okay.
out.
I'm gonna show them.
Alright, hang on.
Now shake it all up.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how much there is in our bucket. Yeah, there's a lot. I'm gonna mix the borax.
Gonna stir it up real good. Most of it's out actually.
Okay.
Did a pretty good job.
Okay, we're good.
Hang on, get my moment. I think that's it actually. I'll leave it on the side just in case, but I think you got most of it.
Can you mix the borax, please?
Yep. Yes, I please.
And now I'm just gonna add the shaving gel. The shaving gel. I need a lot. Is there even any more?
Here, I mean, if you hold it straight sometimes, if you can use up any last bits that there are. That's what I'm saying. We can use as much as we have, and then if we need to go out to the store and get more, we can add it.
Good.
That's pretty good. Yeah, we'll see.
Shaving cream.
And same thing with that one. It feels like it's getting low. Just hold it straight, like up and just over the bucket.
Don't.
Too late.
Okay. Now for the hand soap. Oh my god, there's some on my foot.
Good thing it's soap.
No, it's not soap, it's lotion.
Here, hold it straight. There you go. Want me to do it?
No.
But wait, you want that to foam. It won't foam unless it goes through this thing. See, it's straight liquid at the bottom. Put a little more water in this one. And then,
This looks so good so far. Look at that. Oh, my thumb. My hand is in the way. The gallon.
and then we gotta get some activator. And what do we normally do? About a half a cup?
Yeah.
So let's put all this in, I think.
Alright, but slowly.
Yeah.
Can I have
Sure.
this?
Paper towel?
Can I have a? No, I need food coloring.
Okay. Well, why don't we get the consistency right and then try messing with the food coloring. Try that borax and see what you think.
Just pour in little. You pour in little by little.
Yes.
Ooh, we're gonna. Now.
Do you want me to get more foaming soap? I
No.
think we're just about out of that.
Yeah.
How's it feel? Oh my
Good.
goodness. You're gonna need borax. Ready?
I already did.
Oh, you did? Okay.
See?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like liquid, guys.
Oh, you got me. I was trying to get some last of the foaming soap in there.
I mean the shaving.
Shaving gel.
Guys, it's like not.
Smells good. It's like aromatherapy.
I need something to mix.
Your hands. The best way things are mixed.
Guys, it's not even stretchy yet. It's just like glue.
Probably need more borax.
Good. Good. Stop pouring in so much at a
Grace.
time.
That's like 20 times the amount of glue we normally use, and this is 4 times the borax, so you're gonna be fine.
I said this. The glue is like all that glue sitting at the bottom, not mixing with it. Get your hands in here. See? It's like, see? That's all it's mixing with.
Mm-hmm. Doing good. Here, I'm gonna show them your hands while you're... there we go.
Like not, the glue is not mixing. Like shove this in here and grab the glue.
Oh, whoa.
It's like,
Yeah, I definitely think you... Careful with those hands there. I think you need more borax.
okay.
I'll help you take a turn.
I got this. Oh,
Ooh, you found more glue.
oh, that's way too much.
No, it's not.
Look at all that water.
Look how it's still sticking to you. You gotta mix it with the glue. There you go.
I'm mixing it.
You're doing good. Let me get your sleeve. Hold on. That's just shaving cream.
Glue is like not.
Well, it's starting to get thicker now. Look.
Yep, there's still all of that. That's
Oh yeah, you're doing good. You want me to do it? Take a turn?
But we both get your hands in here.
Both. Flarp. Oh.
It's so good.
Oh, I found more glue.
I know, right? It's just like all sitting at the bottom. And you just like, it's like,
It's
nah.
like stinging my hands for some reason.
Why?
I don't know. It makes me nervous. Yeah, we need more borax. Look at all this glue. This straight glue. Oh, I just got in your hair.
I know.
I should have kept one hand clean.
You should have.
All right.
No, that's enough.
I'm telling you, based off of our ratios from all the times, how many times have we made slime together now? Correct. That I think we might actually even need more than what we have mixed up here. Do cat paws.
We need the food. Put the food coloring in there.
Hang on, let's work at this consistency. Plus our hands are dirty, so. Oh yeah, now it's starting to get good. Look, it's like the guts. Hold on, I'm trying to show. You can show.
I don't want it to turn out like the gut.
It's not going to. It's in between, remember? Because we need more borax. It's starting to get sticky.
Look at it, guys. Oh, yes. Ah, my gosh, my shirt.
I know. I'm going to try to get you cleaned up here. That's why I thought you should wear
Apron? Oh, well.
mm-hmm.
At least it's white slime, yeah.
Yeah, but I think that you should change or get an apron on because the next part's
Okay,
going to be
get an
colored.
apron.
I'm going to put this one on you. Let me get the shaving cream off. Hold on. Look at my hands.
Oh my god. That's why you go like this with it.
Well, when I get the borax and use it on my hands to get all the glue off. And then if I rub the borax, like,
More borax.
look, it turns into like slime on my hand if I rub the borax on it.
Now, we need that
This is also a tutorial of how to get a forearm full of slime off of you.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
It's like so pretty. Put it in here.
One minute, I'm gonna get you an apron because it's starting to turn into slime and that stuff does not come off of clothes. Okay. Wash the rest of this off.
Ah. That's it. We need. Can you pour some borax?
Yeah, hang on.
You're gonna need to wash this outfit.
What are we gonna need to do?
I will wash this outfit.
Yeah, but let me try to save it right now before it gets worse.
There's stuff on my pants too.
I know, that's why I would like you to wear this apron because it'll cover your nice clothes because I don't want to get slime out of those jeans.
Can you?
Yeah, hang on, step by step here. I gotta get my hands clean because I'm just gonna make the problem worse. Okay.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Shaving cream in your hair. Okay.
Now
That's-
the pants and my foot
Alright, that's glue too. Alright.
and my foot.
Yeah, hang on. Oh goodness, that's just the shaving cream, I
I know
think.
it is. And I sprayed it again on my
Cover
foot.
you in trash bag.
Okay.
That's what I should have done. Alright, hang on, let me give you the apron. Stand up.
Ugh.
So you don't cover your legs too for sitting on the floor.
Hang on, guys.
Time out. Apron time.
Okay.
Hold on.
She almost got it.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, good. Now we're back. I need some borax. Just little by little.
Lethal.
By
We might even have to mix more up, I'm starting to think. Okay, hang on. No, Betsy. They're on my scrubs.
That's bad. That's good, actually.
No, it's not. It's stuck in there forever.
Betsy, borax.
Grace, wait.
Look, ready? If you're sticky, you know it, clap your hip. You're sticky.
Let me go get an apron for me because I don't want to get all these.
If you're sticky,
Here, I'll give you a little borax before I go get changed. All right.
Just a little. I'll tell you what.
You have to do a little more. I'm gonna give you.
That.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right back.
Oh yes. Now it's starting to turn, guys. Ah! The water is like getting. Now it's starting to turn into slime. You just gotta work your borax. You're gonna need a lot of borax to work a gallon of glue. But if you're doing a small batch, which is just one bottle of glue, then you use a cup of water and a teaspoon of borax. Right now it's like thick. It's like, oh, I forgot on my pants. It's like just thick right now. It's the word borax. Guys, this is not. It's ripping. I'm gonna be sad if this doesn't turn out.
What's going on with it?
It's like ripping.
Ripping?
I just put a little more borax in.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's like, look, ready?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Just gonna.
It's got a
Oh, your pants again.
Oh no. It's fine.
It's not fine, so I'm not. We're gonna pause. Take those off.
No.
Grace, otherwise we're stopping entirely. Please get up and I'm gonna change your pants.
What?
Because I'm not scrubbing all that slime out of there. It's gonna take forever.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye
You
bye.
hold. I will help change. You're covered in slime, so come this way.
Bye bye.
Yeah, go take a bathroom break. We're taking a short intermission. Jotzi.
Oh, you want to eat slime off my hands?
Hey.
Stop, Jack. Stop. Guys. Okay, we're back. Okay. Ooh, let's see how much it's better. Still rippy though. Borax. And make sure you guys add your borax in little by little, because if you don't, your slime will die. Your slime will die. I just added more borax in.
Do you need a second set of hands or are you good?
I got this.
Alright.
I'm only using one hand, so
Smart.
I'm just gonna add little by little.
What are you doing, Ruby? What are you doing,
rippy though. Look at it. Look, ready?
Well, we might need more like shaving or.
Feel it. See what I mean?
But some of the wet still has to come through.
I'm gonna work it in there. So it's not sticky anymore.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
No, it's still rippy.
Still a little rippy. Oh, there's some more borax on the bottom.
Now to add food coloring.
That's pretty stretchy. Look.
Okay, now. No, it's not. Look, ready? This is not stretchy.
All right, well, we might have to add more shaving cream or shaving gel.
Okay, shaving cream.
But we don't have any, remember? I told you we have to go to the store.
Yeah. Ah,
We don't, oh, no.
here we go.
Okay. Whoa. I didn't know there was more in there.
Now mix.
But you don't think we need more borax? We're good? Borax. Borax.
Borax.
Borax.
Maybe just told. Yeah, no more borax.
Okay.
Gotta work the shaving cream in this, that's all.
Okay.
We're like shifting.
I know.
There we go, guys.
Does that feel like it's helping or you're not sure yet?
I'm not sure. Yeah, it's helping. Gotta work with it. It's getting all
Tie your apron.
You might want to tie it back.
Mm-hmm.
How much borax did you use?
No, we used almost 2 cups.
Okay.
Not quite, but 2 cups of warm water with 2 teaspoons of borax. Still rippy. All right, well, we can play with it. You know we know there's some tricks to do.
Okay, add the food coloring now.
Okay. And you're about halfway through your video because the phone battery's dying, just so you know.
Okay.
What color do you want to do?
Blue.
The teal?
Yeah. What does teal and blue make?
Teal and blue just makes it a darker teal, like a more blue teal.
What does teal and green make? Darker?
That would make like another like green or teal, because teal's kind of green and blue mixed together.
Okay, can I have teal?
Here's teal. Oh yeah, you want me to do it?
No, I want to do it.
Okay. And
Adding the food coloring is my favorite part.
is it? The yellow, yeah, because we have green and we have yellow, all the other colors that we have. All right, see where that gets you.
My favorite.
Here, I'll hold it up for that part.
This is my favorite part, guys. We're gonna need more. Definitely.
Well, keep going because it's all over your...
Hand. See, like what I mean? It's gonna need a lot more. See what I mean? It's like,
Keep working it. See, there's whole bunches you didn't even use yet. But you're probably right. We probably will need a little more. There you go. Another pocket of food coloring.
does the green make it a darker teal?
It might. Yeah, you want to try some green?
Just put a drop
Maybe
of
like
green.
we're like gonna drop a yellow or something.
No, I need a drop of blue and a drop of green.
We don't have blue. We only have teal.
Teal, that's what I mean.
Okay. Okay.
Drop a teal.
Uh-huh. That was 2 by accident. And a drop of green. Okay.
That's please don't turn green.
It's not gonna turn green. There's some extra.
I'm gonna need a lot more blue if I want this darker.
Oh, it's awesome.
More blue.
More blue?
Yeah. This is a good slime.
Yeah, you like it? Oh, stop.
Waiting. That's like enough.
Here, want me to try?
Yeah, you get in there.
I'll pull it up from the bottom.
Let's put it on the trash bag now.
No, because it's going to stick to the trash bag. I want it to stay in the bucket.
Mm.
The trash bag's there just to protect the floor. Oh, I found like a whole pocket of dye that wasn't mixed in yet.
My goodness, guys.
See? Oh, it's like a cloud. A joyous, happy cloud. Whoa, look at this whole side.
Oh my gosh. Pocket.
Dye pocket. Who wants cotton candy?
Me? I want it to be darker.
Look, I'm cyborg.
I want to be. I want it to be darker.
Okay, you can add some more dye.
It's so like not stretchy though.
It's alright. It's still cool dye. It's still good slime.
Now blue. Right?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, good.
Mm.
Whoa.
I said I want it dark.
Uh-huh. It's a farty slime. Here, mix it with your foot. Okay.
I'll mix
Is it
it
cool?
with my foot. I'm gonna get dye on my foot.
Yeah, you are. Farty slime. Sounds like somebody has loose caboose juice.
Okay, so that was the end of our video.
Wait, hold on. Should we hold it up so you can see the final product?
Yes, this is our final product. Hallelujah.
It like knocked you over.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So, it's too heavy to hold.
Look.
So, that was the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed. So, thanks for watching. Bye.